How to turn on or enable autoplay on Disney Plus. As you scroll through Disney Plus trying to find something to watch, you might notice that trailers automatically play without your input. This is a feature called background video and you can enable or disable it to get a better Disney Plus streaming experience. The autoplay settings on Disney Plus applies per profile and is persistent across devices. For example, you can follow the instructions we have mentioned here on your phone and the settings will change for your computer and TV too. Firstly, select your profile icon on a web browser and it is in the top right. On mobile, it is in the bottom right. On smart TV, navigate left and it is at the top of the menu. After that, select Edit Profiles and choose the profile you wish to adjust the autoplay settings for. Then simply scroll down and there you will get to see autoplay option available. Toggle autoplay on or off according to your preferences and select Done. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.